Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Abu Hamid Chaudhary and welcome to Army Physics class. Today we are going to start a new chapter. So let's not delay anymore and let's begin. So I would request everyone to please write the name and number of the chapter, chapter 2.08, mains electricity. So what is mains electricity? The first question comes that what is mains electricity? Mains electricity is a general purpose alternating current electric power supply. It's nothing other than that the power supply we are getting, that's an alternating current. There are two types of current: direct current and alternative current. Direct current and alternative current, and the mains electricity is the main power source or the power supply we are getting in alternating current is known as the main electricity. That's what I have said right now. Mains electricity is a general purpose alternating current electric power supply. Mains electricity is a general purpose alternating current electric power supply. Now, alternating current flows backwards, forwards, and so many turns per second. Alternating current is a current or is the type of current that flows back and front, that flows back and forth, back and forwards, backwards and forwards. Alternating current is a type of current that flows backwards and forwards, and backwards and forwards many times per second. There is a very specific amount that how many times the backward and forward process continues in an alternative current process per second, but we don't need to know this right now. Now, a live wire is a wire carrying an electric current. We are going to learn about three different types of wire. One is live wire, one is neutral wire, another one is earth wire. So let me first write the definitions or the descriptions of all these three. Then we are going to talk about this. So before knowing the three types of wires, we should know at the very beginning that what is an alternating current. As we have learned in the main or at the very beginning that the mains electricity is nothing other than the power supply we are getting in terms of alternating current. The main power supply we are getting in terms of alternating current is the mains electricity. So first we have to know that what is alternating current. Alternating current is an electrical current. Alternating current is an electric current. Alternating current is an electric current which periodically reverses direction and changes magnitude continuously with time. Alternating current is electric current which periodically reverses direction and changes magnitude continuously with time. In case someone didn't understand my handwriting, let me repeat the words which may be confusing to you. Alternating, A-L-T-E-R, alter, N-A-T-I-N-G, alternating current is an electric current which periodically, P-E-R-I-O-D, period, I-C-A-Y, periodically reverses direction and changes magnitude continuously with time. Full stop. Now we are going to learn about the three different types of wires: live wire, neutral wire, and earth wire. And we are also gonna see that what are they used for. And as I have said, there are two types of current. One is DC current, another one is AC current. AC current is alternating current and DC current is direct current. Here I have wrote that how many types of currents are there. There are two types of current. Number one is DC, number two is AC. I have given bracket and I have written the full form of what is the meaning of what is the full form of DC and also the full form of AC. DC means direct current and AC means alternating current. Now I have given a line between between the types of current and the definition of live wire. It's because that's another part and this is another part. I hope you guys are taking notes or taking a screenshot or taking screenshots of the things I am saying right now. So live wire, a live wire is a wire that is carrying an electric current. A live wire is a wire that is carrying an electric current. এখানে ইলেকট্রিক কারেন্ট একটা সার্কিটে ইলেকট্রিক কারেন্ট যে ওয়্যারটা ক্যারি করে সেটাকে আমরা বেসিক্যালি লাইট ওয়্যার হিসেবে গণনা করি। যেটাকে ইলেকট্রিসিটি ক্যারি করে সেটাকে আমরা লাইট ওয়্যার হিসেবে গণনা করি। I hope you guys have taken an SS. Let me erase this thing and write the meaning of what is a neutral wire. There is also another definition. There is also another definition of live wire, and that is a live wire is the wire which carries current to the device. A live wire is a wire which carries current to the device. A live wire is a wire which carries current to the device, and make sure you know the color of the live wire. It is brown in color. It's brown in color. The live wire is brown in color. বাংলাদেশে বিভিন্ন রঙের হয়, but mainly the brown color is the main live wire. As you guys are in Bangladesh, you should know one thing, that is in Bangladesh the color of live wire is green. The color of live wire is green and neutral is blue. And earth wire is black. Earth wire is black, the neutral is blue, and the live wire is green in color. It's not the actual wire. The wire is the metal, the thin metal inside the PVC, the polyvinyl chloride, is a copper, is the smoothest strip of a copper. There's a bunch of stripes, or a bunch of thin wires, or a bunch of thin metals of copper metal is put together inside a PVC, which is green in color, and we consider it as the live wire. So let's not delay and let's write the definition of neutral and earth wire. Neutral wire is you can say that neutral wire is a wire that completes the circuit. Neutral wire is a wire that completes the circuit. It is at 0 voltage. Neutral wire is a wire that completes the circuit. It is at 0 voltage, full stop. You can write this, and you can also write the second one, which is that a neutral wire is a wire that is used to complete. A neutral wire is a wire that is used to complete the flow of electricity. Let me repeat it again. A neutral wire is a wire. A neutral wire is a wire that is used to complete the flow of electricity, it acts as a return path for the hot wire current, full stop. A neutral wire is a wire that is used to complete the flow of electricity, it acts as a return path for the hot wire current, full stop. I'm giving you time so that you guys can take an essay or write it on your note copy. Let me repeat both definitions one more time, and it's gonna be the last time I'm repeating these definitions. A neutral wire is a wire that completes the circuit. It is at 0 voltage, full stop. A neutral wire is a wire that completes the circuit. You can give comma or you can give full stop. It doesn't matter here. A neutral wire is a wire that completes the circuit, comma. It is at 0 voltage. Or a neutral wire is a wire that completes the circuit, full stop. It is at 0 voltage. The second definition is that a neutral wire is used to complete the flow of electricity. A neutral wire is used to complete the flow of electricity. It acts as a return path for the hot wire current. It acts as a flow of electricity for the. It works as the return path for the hot wire current. A neutral wire is a wire that is used to complete the flow of electricity, comma. It acts as a return path for the hot wire current, full stop. Now I'm going to erase this thing. So earth wire is a safety wire. Earth wire is a safety wire. It connects the metal casing of a device to the earth and stops it becoming live. Here by device I specifically mean an electrical device. Earth wire is a safety wire. It connects the metal casing of a device to the earth and stops it becoming live. Earth wire is a safety wire. It connects the metal casing of a device. You can write a device or an electric it connects the metal casing of a device or metal casing of an electrical device to the earth and stops it becoming live, full stop, and stops it becoming live. Let's see an example. Let's listen to an example at first. I would request everyone to close your eyes at the very first. For example, if the live wire becomes loose, if the live wire of an electrical kettle, please close your eyes and try to empty your brain. First close your eyes, then try to empty your brain. Then imagine you are making tea in an electrical kettle. First you are boiling water. You have poured water and you are boiling the water by connecting the electrical current by connecting the plug of the electrical kettle to a socket or to a switch. And then if the live wire if the live wire becomes loose, এটা প্রায় সময় হয় যে তার ছিঁড়ে যায় অথবা বেশি ব্যবহারের কারণে the PVC of the wire melts. It happens often that the PVC of the wire often melts or loses, or the wire loses, or the wire tears up, and the live wire, if the live wire touches the metal casing of the electrical kettle, then if you touch it, you will get an electrical shock at the that moment. At the very specific moment, you will get an electrical shock. So, if the kettle has an earth wire, then it will provide an alternative pathway for the current to flow with a lower resistance. This is an IGCSE idea. This is an IGCSE explanation, but still I am going to make it as short and as understandable for you guys. The earth wire is basically nothing except another road or a better road for the current to pass. If the live wire of an electrical kettle touches the metal casing, then the user will get shocked if he or she touches the metal body. So if there is a live wire connected to the electrical kettle, it will provide an alternative pathway for the electrical kettle. It will provide an alternative pathway for the electric kettle it will provide an alternative pathway for the current to flow. It will provide an alternative pathway for the current to flow to the earth. It will provide an alternative pathway for the current to pass to the earth. Let's write this example. Let's not delay and let's write this example. Here, the thing you're seeing, I didn't write the example of an earthware. I didn't write the benefits or the import. I didn't write an example where you can be saved or anyone can be saved by using an earthware. Instead of that, I have written a question which often comes that, right, why the earthware is needed, right, why the earthware is needed. এখানে 5 মার্ক দিয়ে দিবে, 4 থেকে 5 মার্ক দিয়ে দিবে। If the livewire of an electrical kettle loses and touches the metal casing, if the wait, there is a mistake here. There is a grammatical mistake here. Here I have fixed the grammatical mistake and I have highlighted some things, right? You were saying that I have highlighted the writing by giving a bracket with red marker from the very beginning if to the first part till metal body. It's because that if you write till this part is the livewire of an electric kettle or of an electrical kettle থেকে electric kettle টা বলা better. It's better to say an electric kettle than by saying an electrical kettle. As even both are same, but electric kettle sounds more classy. If the livewire of an electric kettle loses and touches the metal casing. If the livewire of an electric kettle loses and touches the metal casing, the user will get an electric shock if he or she touches the metal body. এই পার্টটার জন্য either 3 মার্ক দিবে, এই পার্টটার জন্য 3 মার্ক, এবং নিচে যে হাইলাইট করা আছে যে an alternative lower resistance pathway, তোমরা চাইলে লোয়ার রেজিস্ট্যান্সটা দিতেও পারো, নাও দিতে পারো, এটা তোমাদের আপাতত লোয়ার রেজিস্ট্যান্স দিয়ে শেখানো হয়নি, বাট তারপরও I have teach you guys some advanced techniques. It's the benefits of using advanced techniques or advanced vocabularies in advanced things in physics is that they may get impressed and may give you an extra bonus mark. That doesn't mean that you will get 6 out of 5. They may, suppose you have got 4 out of 5 for using lower resistance. The teacher may give you an extra bonus mark which will make the full mark 5 out of 5, just like this. এই লাইনটার জন্য 1 থেকে 2 মার্ক দিবে, নিচের লাইনটার জন্য 1 থেকে 2 মার্ক দিবে। So the whole thing is that if the livewire of an electric kettle loses and touches the metal casing, if the livewire of an electric kettle loses and touches the metal casing, the user will get an electric shock. If he or she touches the metal body, full stop. If the livewire of an electric kettle loses and touches the metal casing, the user will get an electric shock if he or she touches the metal body, full stop. So if an earthware is connected, it provides an alternative low resistance pathway for the current to flow. এখন আমি বলি lower resistance টা লেখার কারণটা হচ্ছে যে there may, if I didn't write the word lower resistance, you guys may have raised a question in your mind that ওয়াই কেন একটা অল্টারনেটিভ পাথওয়ে একটা অল্টারনেটিভ পাথওয়ে কেন তৈরি করে, কেন এই কেন প্রশ্নটার উত্তরই হচ্ছে লোয়ার রেজিস্ট্যান্স। It has a lower resistance, that means the current will very much likely, or the will the current will prefer more to pass through the earthware instead of the metal casing. Instead of the metal casing, they are going to prefer to pass through an earthware because of the lower resistance. Lower resistance means that the collision between the electrons will be low. একটা ইলেকট্রনের সাথে আরেকটা ইলেকট্রনের কলিশন কিন্তু হবে, এই কলিশনটা সেটা তোমার আজীবন হয়ে আসছিল এবং হবে। এই কলিশনটা যত রেজিস্ট্যান্স কম থাকে কলিশন কমবে, হয়তো কলিশন কমবে, ইয়েস, কারেন্টটা তত বেশি ফ্লো করবে। The lower the resistance, the higher the current. এগুলো বলছে কনসেপ্ট, সেগুলো তোমাদের না জানলে হবে, বাট আপাতত এটা জেনে রাখো যে তোমরা লোয়ার রেজিস্ট্যান্স দিয়েও লিখতে পারো, না দিলেও সমস্যা নাই। অ্যান্ড অল্টারনেটিভ পাথওয়ে ফর দ্য কারেন্ট টু ফ্লো দিলেও তোমাদেরকে 1 মার্ক দিবে, অথবা লোয়ার রেজিস্ট্যান্স পাথওয়ে দিলেও তোমার অল্টারনেটিভ লোয়ার রেজিস্ট্যান্স পাথওয়ে দিলেও 1 মার্ক থেকে 2 মার্ক দিতে পারে, সেটা ডিপেন্ড করে টিচারের মোডের উপর। If the live wire of an electric kettle loses and touches the metal casing, the user will get an electric shock if he or she touches the metal body, full stop. So if an earthware is connected, it provides an alternative lower resistance pathway for the current to flow. If an earthware is connected, it provides an alternative lower resistance pathway for the current to flow, full stop. আজকের জন্য এতটুকুই থাক, বাকিটা ইনশাআল্লাহ আমরা নেক্সট ক্লাসে শিখব। In the next class, in the further classes, we are going to learn about switch. We are going to learn about switch, fuse, and we are going to learn some more things like double insulation. And we are also going to see a diagram of a plug where the live wire, we will see the live wire, earth wire, and neutral wire. Where we are going to see the live wire, earth wire, and neutral wire. I hope that you guys have taken an essence or taken notes of the things that I have said you guys to do. So, Assalamu alaikum class, and thank you for being with Ami.